The authentic you is the best thing you can give to yourself. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Heartistic Bliss. I am Arantha, and on today's Truth Bomb Thursday video, we are going to be talking about inviting negativity in. So, have you had one of those days where you feel everything is perfect and everything is going smooth and it's a perfectly normal day and you're just going about your day, and then this one person enters your life or this one situation arises and they threaten your peace and your positive vibe and your day. Now this is a very critical moment. What do you do here? Do you respond to negativity, or do you simply ignore it and walk past it and go about your day? This literally makes or breaks the peace of your whole day. Take Mumbai local trains for example. It's jam-packed and everyone's literally elbowing into each other's bones, and it's the perfect place for conflict and negativity. So what do you do when that auntie keeps yelling at the top of her lungs, shouting at you, telling you that, you don't know how to stand in a train or whatever, yada yada? What do you do then? Do you react to it, or do you simply ignore it? You'll realize that if you don't react to it when you get out of the train, you still have your peace and you've still maintained your peace. Whereas that person who was literally yapping and shouting at you was all negative and didn't even have a peace. But if you would respond to that auntie or respond to that person negatively, you would come out of the train feeling irritated and agitated and just terrible. The only difference between both the scenarios is you responded to negativity and invited it in, and you ignored negativity and went on positively about your day. So it's totally in your hands. Now I'm not saying that let people take you for granted, and I'm not saying that let people treat you badly over and over again, because people tend to do that when you stay quiet for too long. So you need to stand up for yourself, and you need to sort of put a stop to that kind of abuse or negativity if it's repetitive from the same person. But I'm just saying, be wise about where you use your energy. Be wise about where you invest your energy, because that literally makes all of the difference. If that person or that situation is not worth your time and energy, simply walk past. You see, ignoring negative situations is a talent that is very underrated. So I suggest you start practicing. Because if you want a positive life and you want positive vibes around you all of the time, you gotta stay away from the negativity and you gotta stop responding to the negativity. Just simply ignore it like it doesn't exist and be happy in your own bubble and in your own world. How does that sound? Let me know in the comments if you agree with this perspective on responding or not responding to negativity. I make new videos every Monday, every Thursday, and I go live on Instagram every Wednesday at 9. Let's catch up there. Let's meet there. Let's talk there. If you are feeling low or down and you want to talk about any topic and you feel like you don't have a friend to listen to, I am right here. Any form of communication that you want to use to me, whether it's in comments, DMs, calls, whatever, yada yada, I'm going to be there here and I'm going to help you out if you let me. So reach out to me because I'm right here and I'd love to help you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Send this video across to as many people as you know need to hear this. If you know of people who are constantly grumpy and constantly responding to negativity, share this video with them. It's gonna help them. So yeah, and let me know how you like this video in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I am Arantha. I super love you and bye.